Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use templates on CapCut. Alright guys, here I have already opened my CapCut application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do if we want to use the CapCut template is clicking on the template option, and then there will be a couple of templates that we can use for our edit. You can search for the template based on its category. So this is the template category, and then for me, I'm going to select this category, this for you category. So this is the CapCut recommendation for me. And then if you want to explore more template, you can scroll down like this. And then if you want to search for a certain template, you can search right here. But I'm just going to select this one. So just tap on the template that you want to use. Okay, and you can click on use template right here. Okay, and you can select pictures or videos from your gallery that you want to place on your templates. And for me, I'm going to select photos. So I'm tapping on photos option. Then I'm just going to select, wait guys. Okay, and I'm just going to select this photo. Make sure that you select 3 photos or videos. So I'm just going to select this one, and also this one. Okay, and after we're done selecting the photos or videos, we can click on preview right here. Just click on preview to see the preview of the templates. Okay guys, and this is the preview of the templates, and after you are satisfied with the result, you just need to click on export right here to save this CapCut video to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can use CapCut templates. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.